Hello friends, this is Prashant. I want to discuss a very interesting tool that we have built. If you have seen our videos on point and figure or read my book, you would know about point and figure patterns. And I repeatedly say that point and figure is just a representation of the price. It removes noise from the data and shows us a clear price pattern. We can get to know about the patterns which are being formed, like triangles, which shows convergence, broadening, which is like expanding phase, then traps or important support resistance breakout patterns like triple top, triple bottom, etc. Now you may know about all these patterns, but I understand that it needs really a good practice to be able to recognize all these patterns on a given chart. At times important patterns go unnoticed, especially during real time. But because these patterns and point and figure are objective in nature, we thought why can't we make a tool that tells users that this pattern is in place and you may like to pay attention to it. Right? For example, look at this chart. Here, now you may see a double top buy, but it is also a diagonal triple top buy. But this that can be an important information as well, right? So we have made a tool that can inform you about that. So if you go to scanner and real-time system commentary, this is future in option. You have to type symbol here. For example, Nifty. Now I am putting a box value of 5 absolute on 1 minute time frame. You can select a time frame from here. It can be a repeat or a fresh signal. If you select fresh, it will only talk once. For repeat, it will talk after every 1 minute. This is a default commentary. We have added various patterns. You can keep them. You can also create your systems for entry and exit, right? And you can select them. You can have both or either of them. If I say okay,
Nifty I qualified for double top buy and diagonal triple top buy.
right? So if multiple patterns are being formed, the software will tell you, and you will find patterns like anchor column, double top, triple top, and all important patterns are formulated, and TradePoint can tell you that which pattern is in place. Now these patterns will appear only when they are being formed, and point and figure being noiseless, we will not get many patterns even on 1 minute time frame during the day. Just for the demonstration, I'll select a box value of 1, so it will have very aggressive signals.
INARF bullish and turtle breakout bullish.
Right, so it can tell you that the patterns which you otherwise may not notice. See, this is like turtle breakout also and ARF also. So these are the patterns uh, which you may not immediately notice. You can change the voice speed and volume speed from here.
Qualified for double top buy and ARF bullish and turtle breakout bullish.
So this is our attempt to help you while trading the markets in real time and just tell you about the patterns that are being formed in the price. Please try and let us know if you found it helpful and if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching this video.